Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to download DawnCraft on your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for download.curseforge.com. So we need to download this launcher so that we can proceed on downloading the DawnCraft. So just go ahead and click on the download button, and then we just need to wait. So now once the CurseForge is downloaded, just go ahead and click on it. Okay, so let's just wait. So here it is. So you can now just go ahead and proceed what language you want to use. I'm gonna go with English. Click on next. Now you can just go ahead and choose the location of the application. So I'm just gonna change it. I'm going to change it on local disk C. Okay. So now you can now just go ahead and click on next. But if you want to create a desktop shortcut for Overwolf, just go ahead and check that. But we are using CurseForge, so I won't check this box. Click on next, and now it is downloading. We just need to wait for it again. So now once it is installed, just go ahead and click on launch. And then let's just wait for it again. So now just go ahead and click on next, or you can just go ahead and click on skip intro. So I'm just gonna click on the skip intro. And then after that, you just need to log in. Okay, so let's just go ahead and log in our account. So I'll be back once I've logged in my account, okay? So now once you've logged in your account, just go ahead and click on Minecraft. Then you want to click on Browse Modbox, I'm sorry. So you can just go ahead and search for DawnCraft, okay? So let me just go ahead and search for it. So let me just go back and let me just like this one. So as you can see, this is the DawnCraft mod pack. So just go ahead and click on install. And then as you can see, it is now downloading. So you just need to wait. Once it is done downloading, you can now start playing Minecraft using this mod. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.